In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use master slides and layouts in Google Slides. Master slides and layouts are the foundation for keeping your presentation consistent. Instead of formatting every slide one by one, you can set your fonts, logos, and placeholder areas once, then apply them across your deck. This saves time and helps your slides look clean and uniform. To get started, go to the top menu and click View, then choose Theme Builder. This opens a special editing view where you control the design structure of your presentation. On the left, you will see a column of thumbnails. The topmost thumbnail is the master. Think of the master as the global style controller. When you select the master, changes you make here can affect all layouts underneath it, like your main font choices, default text styling, and elements that should appear everywhere, such as a logo or a footer. Next, look at the smaller thumbnails below the master. These are the individual layouts. Each layout represents a specific slide type, like a title slide, a section header, or a slide with a title and body text. Select a layout when you want to adjust only that slide type, without changing the entire presentation. Now you can edit or add placeholders using the top toolbar. Placeholders define where content is meant to go, such as text boxes, images, or other content areas. This is especially helpful if you want every slide of a certain type to have the same spacing and alignment. As you adjust placeholders, keep your design practical. Leave enough room for typical text lengths, and make sure key areas are not too close to the edges. To stay organized, use Rename in the top toolbar. Clear layout names make it much easier to choose the right design later, especially when you have several similar options. When you are finished, close the theme builder using the Close option in the top right of the builder window. You will return to your normal slide editing view. Finally, to use your new design, go to the slide menu at the top. Then select Apply Layout and choose the layout you want for the selected slide. Repeat that for other slides as needed to quickly standardize your presentation. That covers everything you need to know.